In the first place, I woke up this morning to a news that the main sewage treatment plant has collapsed, and immediately I called the director AEPB to find out the true position of that, which he vehemently stated that it is not true. And I decided to come here by myself to see things for myself. Surprisingly, the whole management staff, the workers, the plant managers, everybody was at hand to receive me. We went around and discovered that it was a fake story. All the treatment plants are working perfectly and in good condition. I visited virtually every section, every department of this treatment plant. The generator set is working, the plant itself is working, the workers are at their duty post. There is nothing of such. So the public should not panic. It is not a good story. It is from somebody who have not verified, which we have taken action. I already directed the director to make sure that he issued a query and let the people know that that story is not true. If there's one city or one area we should be proud of, is Abuja. Most of the cities who have recorded cholera outbreak, almost about 20-something states, but in Abuja we have not recorded such. And you can see that the AEPB staff, led by the director, is doing everything humanly possible to make sure that that aspect did not occur in Abuja. And I want to appreciate them for the work they are doing. Actually, the public should not panic because the sewage treatment plant are working perfectly in order. There is no collapse whatsoever. I am here right in the sewage treatment plant. We are all around everywhere. There is nothing as such. So, people, all the individuals, all the citizens should discard that information from whoever. I don't know the person who claims to be a chairman of one of the health organization. I don't know where we got information, but I want the public to ask him to come and show us where the treatment plant failed. So far I'm concerned, I'm the coordinator of AMC. I am here right in the treatment plant. Everything is working perfectly in order. So the information they had is not true. It is lie.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
So I think the coordinator has written his views about the plant and also the workers. Once again, we must thank you for the services you're rendering to the country and to our city. Keep up doing what you're doing. We trust Engineer Ibrahim, who leads this plant, to continue what he's doing here. I must thank you for your service to the FCT. Engineer Paul, Ndidi, Lapai, the boss, Ayede, of course, Pius, and all the top engineers here. Well done to you.
Thank you.